Hi everyone. As you can see, this is another challenge, and this challenge is with Lacy Space, and it's a DIY thrifted cake stand challenge. Okay, let's get started. These two items is what I found from thrifting and shopping around the house. This cake pan, or this tray here, was my first choice. And then this was my second choice. I chose this crystal glass because it's chipped at the top. It's a very small little chip, and I decided that I can use that for my base. And this is my third choice, and I really like this look, so this is the one I'm going to go with. The hardest thing to go with once you decide that this is the piece that you're going to use is trying to find the center to balance everything together. So that's what I'm working on now. I just traced the actual plate, and then I folded the paper. This is wax paper. I just folded the paper so that I can get to the center. And once I found the center, I marked the circle around. I'm just checking to make sure. That everything line up all the way around. This is, like I said, this is one of the hardest part, is actually getting that center together, making sure everything is perfectly balanced so that you don't have anything lopsided once you place something on it, and then it ends up falling if it gets too heavy. So this is me just double checking. It always pays to double check. Okay, so now that I found the center and I have marked it on the glass, now it's time to glue it all together. You can probably see where I actually put the circle on the bottom of the cake stand I'm putting together. And there's a circle, and I'll be gluing this to that circle. I really like this crystal glass, so I was giving you a close-up of that. And now it's time to glue it all together. I'm using Dollar Tree Fix-It adhesive to glue this down, and I will be letting this sit for overnight. Yep, too much glue. Don't overdo it. Now remember, cleaning and prepping everything ahead of time make the job much easier. The circle that was on the bottom of this that I placed there really helped me to get this centered the way I needed to. And now it's cleaning up the excess glue that I just overdid it with the glue. Now I'm just applying a little pressure on it to hold it in place. Now you can put something heavy on this and let it keep for overnight, but I decided to just see. I think I had enough glue there to hold it. And this is just me trying to get some of that glue from spreading too much. And I'm using a wet, soapy towel to do that. I use a marker. If you probably noticed that at the beginning, I use a marker to draw my circle around. And this is just me going back to clean up any marks that may have been left on the bottom. Okay, after sitting overnight, this is it, all done. Now, out of the 3 choices that I had, I really liked this one more. I like the decorativeness of fold of the pattern that's on the cake stand and then have that crystal base. I think it turned out okay. Which one did you like? Was it the first one, the second, or this one, the third? Leave your comments down below, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to go check out the other participants of this challenge. And thank you, Lacy Space. I enjoyed this challenge. It helped me to go around and see what I had around the house that I could put together from thrifty finds. Thank you again. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I have more DIYs and home decor to come. And these are my 2 latest ones you see coming up here. I want to thank my subscribers. And remember, I have weekly DIYs and home decor to come.